It don't happen. It don't happen. Guys, please help me to share my video. Help me to comment. Help me to like. I love you guys. Happy Sunday, guys. Today we have our ECM arrived. So guys, follow me as I will replace this ECM rebuild on this car. Guys, please patronize me by sharing my video. Patronize me by referring people to me. Patronize me by buying cars from me. Patronize me by ordering parts from America. We do order parts sent to Nigeria, sent to part of Africa. Any part that you want from America, we do ship it to Nigeria and Africa. We love you guys. Follow me as I replace this ECM. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.